Good evening. Congratulations to all the people who have got calls. For the PI. And I also hope and pray that you don't have to travel for your PIs, because God knows what that may lead to. So I have been told that there is some CV that you need to write for SIS, and some of you have got something of an interview call from IIM Rohtak. It's online on Google Meet. Okay, good. The place where you are located right now, or the place at which you are located when you are filling in the form. That's it. The particulars filled in the form, the particulars in the form are true as on which date. And where have you written that form? In which place? That's what is needed. Anyway, so I have been informed that there will be two categories of people. First is the SIS kids who have got a call, and not students who got a call. And secondly, IIM रोहतक से जिनको इंटरव्यू कॉल आया है. कोई तीसरा कैटेगरी है क्या यहाँ पे? Is there any third category here? SLS, yeah, Symbiosis Law School, right? Either Symbiosis Law School or IPM, IIM Rohtak. Okay? Any third category? None? Okay. SLS नागपुर में भी है? Right. So without wasting further time, let's directly go to the CV. First of all, we'll take that up because that is the agenda. Then we will go to IIM Rohtak and take a brief look at the questions that would be asked in the PI and what kind of answers are expected out of you, expected from you. People are still joining in. I went through the SLS resume format that they have sent. Have they sent some format for SLS? Okay. It is for BBA LLB. Okay. Is this the one? And is tomorrow the last date? Never say yeah, right, because two positives make a negative in English. Tomorrow evening, right. Deep CV information, academic achievements. Top 10, I mean, it's all about marking it correctly. It's all about marketing it correctly. Okay. So academic achievement would be a top rank in some year, a top rank in some year, right? You are not the top ranker. Fine, you might be in the top 10%. The idea is don't leave this blank. Okay. Top 10% of the class is also an achievement. Top 10% of the section is also an achievement. Top 10% of the school is also an achievement. Top 10% of the board or top 20% of the board is also an achievement. Plus, in any particular subject, if you have hit the bullseye, got the maximum possible CGPA, you can mention that also. Okay. So there are a host of things that you can mention here, but please remember, it clearly says academic achievements. So the information has to be academic. No. If we'll see, let's go through the entire form. Okay. Co-curricular or extracurricular achievements. Now remember, usually people consider it the same, but there's a difference between co-curricular and extracurricular. 12th, 10th, that's it. Nothing prior to that. Nobody takes 11th seriously. If there is nothing that you can write in 10th and 12th, then 11th. Top priority 12th, second priority 10th, third priority 11th. You may not be the top ranker, you might have topped in one subject. That's decent. That's no problem. Not of much use, but no problem. Okay. Co-curricular and extracurricular. Now in co-curricular activities, any science contest organized by your school, right? Or any such project you did for your school, which was a part of the school itself, that is co-curricular. Extracurricular is anything outside the school. Okay. So events, participating in school conducting school events conducted by the school, participating in a competition conducted by the school would be counted as co-curricular, strictly speaking. Extracurricular will be what you did on your own, of your own volition, without involving the school, without the school pressurizing you for attendance. That would be co-curricular / extracurricular achievements. Maximum 2, write a maximum of 2 here. Maximum of 2. Okay. Reason for selecting BBA, BA Honors Program, SLS Pune, and career goals. Now you have to think about answers to both these questions holistically, right? Because this is a logical, you don't have space. Secondly, more than 2 would sound arrogant. Your objective is not to fill in the form properly. Your objective is to fill in the form in such a way that he's trapped and he asks you questions which you want him to ask. This form is a tool. Don't try to be too truthful. Right. Now, when you say reasons for selecting BBA, BA, or law, okay, there would be 3 aspects to the answer, but I don't know how you'll write that answer in the space that has been provided. The form is online, right? Do you have any character limit in the form? Or do you have to actually write it down, take a printout? We'll taking up each question. We'll take up each question. Okay. So when you talk about reason for selecting, okay, then there are 3 components. Self-attested, that means you have to download this take a printout and write it with your hands. Write it or what? Unlimited lines to type. First of all, वो check कीजिएगा. There seems to be some confusion on that. I'll try to clear it today. Okay, you have already tried it. That's fantastic, right? So when you say, as I said, there are three parts. First is when you talk about your career goals and reasons. Okay, the first thing that you need to be sure of what they are expecting. Okay, मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ उसका 50% ही चाहिए आपकी उम्र में. First of all, you have a decent idea. You have a decent idea about what you want to do in your life and where do you want to reach. That becomes your career goal. I repeat, a decent idea about what do you want to do and at the end of it, where do you want to reach. A rough idea, an approximate idea. That becomes your career goal. Okay. And what is the reason for selecting BB or BA honors or SLS? Because doing that course will help you reach your career goal. Right? Plus, you have certain qualities, personal qualities, because of which you think you will be able to achieve that particular career goal, aka succeed in this particular course. That's the idea. I repeat. Become a bit complicated for you, I guess. Where do you want to be? What do you want to do at the end of it? And where do you want to be at the end of it? This is your career goal. Okay? Why are you selecting this particular course? Because this particular course will help you achieve your career goal in a very efficient way, number one. And number two, I have certain skills, right, which would be very useful in being successful in the course and being successful in the career that I have chosen. This has to be the philosophy behind the answer. Are we very clear on this? So how many of you know what you want to do with your life? And earning money is not an answer. That is expected but not accepted, let us say. How many of you know what you want to do with your life? It's a bit rich coming from me because I am 45, I don't know. Yeah, we'll come to IIM Rohtak after some time. We are starting with SLS Swastik. We'll complete SLS in 15, 20 or half an hour and then we'll get down to IPM Rohtak. Okay? So you'll have to be patient. And whatever we are discussing, it's pertinent to IIM Rohtak as well. Why is everybody silent? Any idea? Okay. You just proved that it is going to be very difficult for you. You think this course will make you? You think IPM and IPM from Rohtak will make you more patient? It better, like. So even when you pray to God, you'll say that you want patience and you want it now. This is a good way, Mr. What Ajit has said. Join corporate company as a legal advisor for which a law degree is essential. So that relationship has to be there. Otherwise, the answers will go in divergent areas. So first figure out the answer to question 4. The answer to question 3 will flow automatically. You have the entire night to think about this. आई होप इट्स क्लियर। 1-2 तो आंसर करना है, लेकिन पहले क्वेश्चन 4 आंसर कीजिए, उसके बाद क्वेश्चन 3 आंसर कीजिए। नो प्रॉब्लम। शशि थरूर, यू वांट टू बी द नेक्स्ट शशि थरूर? I mean, I'm just talking about working at the UN part, nothing else. हाँ, तो आप सबके, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, आप सबके अलग अलग आंसर्स होंगे। आपको पहले करियर गोल्स डिफाइन करना है और वहां से रीजन फ्लो होगा कि आपको ये पर्टिकुलर कोर्स क्यों करना है। आपको जो पीआई के लिए अगर कॉल आता है तो एक स्पेसिफिक प्रोग्राम के लिए कॉल आता है। दैट इज द ओनली प्रोग्राम दैट यू नीड टू कंसिडर टू राइट अबाउट। एडिशनल क्वालिफिकेशंस और अवार्ड्स कुछ हैं? फोर तक तो फिलअप करना कंपलसरी है। 5 नहीं फिल किया तो भी चलेगा। एनी अदर, इसमें आई वुड सजेस्ट 2-3 चीजें जो आप लिख सकते हो इन एनी अदर। फर्स्ट इज, सॉरी स्पेलिंग गलत हो गई, स्ट्रेंथ्स, राइट। सेकेंड इज कंटिन्यू। एडिशनल क्वालिफिकेशन में लिख सकते हैं बिल्कुल। एनी अदर में ये लिख सकते हैं, ये लिख सकते हैं। Yes. Maybe any other, Palak. You can add it in any other. So any other मैंने बोला था strengths. I believe in. You can have your hobbies and interests. Any charity work. ठीक है, तो ये चारों में से कुछ भी चुनो एंड रिमेंबर, प्लीज चूज दैट इन विच यू कैन टेक अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। प्लीज डोंट चूज दैट इन विच यू कैन नॉट फेस क्वेश्चंस। Remember, because you would be liable to be quizzed on everything that you have written in this form. Traveling, yes, that's a hobby, definitely. No problem at all. Okay. Do you have anything apart from this? ये तो बहुत ही simple सा form है. If you can defend it, no doubt. Of course you can write. But when you write it once, I've observed a big problem when people want to write something which is a bit heavy. They say, philosophically speaking, don't start like that. That's a very rubbish way to start. It might be philosophical for you. For the other, it might be a fact of life. Don't copy any content from my YouTube channel once. You followed it quite religiously, I know. That will land you in trouble. Right, anyway. Anything, any hobby, any interest, anything. Any questions that you have on the form? The podcast is coming up once, as you had commented. Let's see where that goes. Yes. Do you have to sign all the docs separately? Yes, of course. Remember, the form plus all the documents that you would be required to submit, all of them should be self-attested. Don't bother about that, Ajit. Just focus on getting maximum. Exchange programs, you can write it in 5. Related to, there should be a logical flow from 4 to 3. Position in school, you can include it in 5. You can include it in co-curricular also. If you are filling the form online, then you better have everything with you. Because kabhi na kabhi to verify karenge. So if you don't have them with you, try to gather them, right? And as of now, I don't think the form asks you to attach any documents. But ultimately, at some point of time, they will require the documents again, so start collecting them. And academic achievements तो आपके सब मार्कशीट पे आ ही जाएंगे ना, तो क्या प्रॉब्लम? Anything more you want to ask about the form? Okay. Have you been given the dates for PI, or will they be out after you submit the form? So many people CV they review tomorrow 4 deadline. I have 5 classes. इतने सीरीज देखो, कमिटमेंट करना मुश्किल है, क्योंकि इतने सीरीज कल 4 बजे तक चेक होंगी कि नहीं पता नहीं. आप मुझे भी भेजिए, एक कॉपी नीरज सर को भी भेजिए, हम दोनों बांट के, या फिर आपके जो मेंटर असाइंड है उनसे भी बात कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक इट्स बेटर इफ यू सेंड इट टू योर बैच मेंटर. ओके, और keep Neeraj sir in the CC. Send it to your batch mentor. Keep Neeraj sir in the CC. That would be the best thing. Is it clear? Is it clear? Good. Okay. Now for the PI part. Should I close this file now? Can we chat now? Something about the PI? Okay. Now this part is common for your PI, for Rohtak as well as for SLS, DBA as well. Now at your age, remember, the interviewer does not have a very wide universe on which to question. Imagine you do your graduation for 4 years, then work for 2 years. That is when there is a huge wide range of questioning. But considering this, the stage you are in, not much range for the interviewer to cover. But you definitely have to take care of the following. When he says, what are you going to say? Okay, let us see. Let's take them one by one. Let's start with the name. This is very crucial because he might like you and he might decide. Remember, oh my God, people I have not met in ages are here. Okay, so the idea is he might like your face and he might decide that he wants to stress you out. So remember, what we are discussing is a worst case scenario. What you are discussing here is a worst case scenario. All of you, please, you need to remember that. It may not be as harsh as I am telling you it is going to be, but if you prepare for this quantum of harshness, anything less than that would be easily manageable. It's like a video game. You have to get up to level 10, level 7, level 8, level 9 सब manage हो जाएगा. But if you prepare at level 7, you won't be able to manage even level 7.5. That's the problem. So therefore, we'll talk about a level 10 PI, excruciating PI. Now, when you introduce yourself, isn't it obvious that you will start with your name? Okay. He might, the moment you say your name, he might say, oh, that's an interesting name. What does it mean? That's an interesting name you have, Isha. What does it mean? यहाँ से शुरू होता है, ठीक है? Meaning and that ridiculous question they ask. Say this, that my name has multiple meanings. Say this. Don't say multiple meanings, say diverse interpretations. It's the language, ma'am. It's the language. It's not what you say, it's how you say it. Rather than saying it has multiple meanings, say it has diverse interpretations. How true are you to your name? Diversity. You can check my profile. तुम्हारे इतना मेरे जितना डाइवर्स नाम तो नहीं है ना तुम लोगों का. Imagine somebody naming their kid Jesus. Sorry, that joke is already there in that. Okay, you can start here. This is the first line that you should say. Okay. In your case, in your particular profile, a bit about the family. There is a particular order here. This is not misogynistic. Okay? What do they do, guys? Then you get down to please keep noting this down. Personal qualities. यहाँ झूठ बोलना पड़ेगा. बोलने की बहुत इच्छा होंगी. So tell me something about your qualities. I am a qualityless concept. नहीं, sorry. Once philosophy नहीं जानने का यहाँ. Personal qualities. I am talking about strengths. Please, when you mention your personal qualities, please with sugar on top. Don't mention your weaknesses. There's no need. You are going to give him reasons to reject you anyway. Don't hand them out on a platter. What are your personal qualities? Sir, I can't concentrate for long hours. Why? No. Personal qualities. Hobbies. Objective. That is it. 1 to 2 sentences for everything. Name is the one sentence. Family, personal qualities, hobbies, objective. Let us say 2 sentences each. That's 8 plus 1, 9. A max of 10 sentences. Your introduction should be over. Snappy. Okay. And then if he's a horrible interviewer, he might ask you, why do you think you have this particular quality? For example, you say, sir, I'm very patient and I can empathize with people. And you say, okay, are you sure it's a strength? And he'll repeat my dialogue. Sympathy is a waste of time. Empathy is a bigger waste of time. Then what will you say? Right. So when you say some strengths, first of all, I, when you say something is a strength, first of all, he'll question you on whether that is actually a strength or a weakness, that particular quality in itself. Second, he'll ask you to prove that you have that quality. He'll ask you to prove that you have quality. I have the ability to take a lot of stress. अब एक चीज आप ध्यान रखिए, आप जब ये सब आंसर्स ढूंढते रहेंगे ना, you can say that a particular quality, you have a particular quality, only if that quality has been tested. Right? I am very honest. Okay. Has there been any incident in life where you could have gained a lot by being dishonest and yet you remained honest? If such an instance has not happened, that means the quality has not been tested. That means you cannot claim that you have that quality. It's a very, very simple logic. I hope you are able to see the simplicity behind this logic. It's a very simple logic. और कुछ चीजें पर्सनल क्वालिटीज में कभी नहीं बोलना. Not to say things. Not to say. Honesty. यहाँ to लिख रहा हूँ. You'll say this sitting in symbiosis, Mr. Sohail. Not a good idea. These are the qualities which you should not say in the interview. Not because you are not. No. Because it's very easy to show that you don't have these qualities. Oh, you are honest. Okay, okay. You have a machine, computer at home? Yes, sir. Which operating system do you work on? Sir, Windows. Is it licensed? हो गया खत्म? Honesty बच गई? I am not even going into asking you which websites do you visit. I am just asking you about your operating system. And if you lie, it will be visible on your face. Right? Not consistency and hard working for two reasons. First, it is assumed you have it. Everybody has it. It's not a big differentiator. Secondly, okay, I don't know how to say this politely, but these are the two qualities of a donkey. Okay, these are the two reasons why you will never mention consistency and hard work. Why not good communication skills? The moment, okay. Okay. Now, why not good communication skills? Because the moment you say, you enter the interview room, you say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. The moment you start talking to him, it will be very obvious what your communication skills are. Why waste the opportunity? I hope you got the idea. Why not communication skills? Okay, opportunity मिल रही कुछ और बोलो ना. And remember, it already says communication skills. It's a skill, it's not a quality. Right? Students who have got the call from IIM Rohtak, remember, your interview is going to be tough. ये सब आपको पूछा जाएगा, ध्यान रखिएगा, अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना है, अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना है. मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला था शायद कि ये इंटरव्यू के बारे में जो बात कर रहा हूँ, दैट इज फॉर एवरीबॉडी. दिस इज हाउ यू प्रिपेयर फॉर एन इंटरव्यू. We have another session on interviews, but this is the first area, hobbies and objective. Okay, ये एक एरिया हो गया. हम डेप्थ में बाद में जाएंगे because we have one more session. Today I'm just introducing all these concepts to you. The second aspect that you need to work on, your academics. थोड़ा सा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट्स लीजिए, आपके जो 12th में आपके जो फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट्स थे उनको फिर से पढ़िए एज इफ वो सब्जेक्ट में आपको टॉप करना है. बिकॉज व्हेन द इंटरव्यूअर आस्क्स ओके व्हिच इज योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट, वो ऐसे टाइम पास के लिए नहीं पूछ रहा है. दैट्स अ लीडिंग क्वेश्चन. बेस्ड ऑन दैट ही विल आस्क यू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो व्हेन आई से एकेडमिक्स आई मीन 2 सब्जेक्ट्स. रिमेंबर, प्लीज चूज द सब्जेक्ट्स in which you can take a lot of questions. That is going to be very, very, very important, right? So that's academics, 2 subjects, right? Then the next, hobbies और objective तो यहीं आ गया है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. strengths भी यहीं आ गए. Introduce yourself का आप आंसर जब प्रिपेयर करोगे ना आपका, तो आपका 60% इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन हो चुका रहेगा. ओके, एकेडमिक्स है, जनरल नॉलेज से ज्यादा डायनामिक एंड एनालिटिकल जीके इज व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड. आपका जो टेस्ट में जीके चेक होता है वो स्टैटिक जीके होता है. ओके, इंटरव्यूज में जो जीके होता है, okay, Surashri, that's a very interesting question. I'm almost tempted to answer it right now, but we have another session on PI. Till then, you figure out all the holes that you might have in your candidature. We'll try to address all of them in one go, because giving isolated answers to questions may not be a good idea. ऐसा ना हो कि we are filling up one hole and another hole opens itself up. So you have to look at it holistically. You first think about all these things, you frame your answer, then we'll discuss it in the next session. Okay, fair enough? Good. So when you say dynamic and analytical GK, GK which keeps on moving, keeps on changing. Like COVID, the government schemes for COVID. बहुत सारे मैं बोलना नहीं चाहता हूं. ओके, राइट. तो एज ऑफ नाउ यू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग ऑन दीज थिंग्स. आई होप वी आर वेरी क्लियर. यू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग ऑन दीज थिंग्स. इट्स गोइंग टू टेक टाइम. ओके, एसएलएस वाले रेज्यूमे भेजिए, अपना आपके मेंटर्स को मेल कीजिए. नीरज सर को प्लीज सीसी में रखिएगा ताकि वो मॉनिटर कर पाए. ठीक है, आई होप सबकी ईमेल आईडी है आपके पास. कुछ मेरे मेंटीज है, मेरा ईमेल आईडी है. गुड. ओके, और इन चीजों पे काम करना शुरू कीजिए. रोहतक वाले आज से ही इस पे काम करना है, अभी शाम से ही. एक मिनट. एचएलएस वाले पहले आप आपका रेज्यूमे का काम कंप्लीट कर लीजिए और उसके बाद इस चीज पे भिड़ जाइए. ठीक है, इन द नेक्स्ट पीआई सेशन वी डिस्कस दिस इन ग्रेटर डेप्थ. ओके, आई एम सेविंग सम ऑफ इट क्योंकि आज ही सब कुछ मैं बताना नहीं चाहता हूँ. आप पहले इन चीजों पे थोड़ा एक बेसिक ग्राउंड वर्क कर लीजिए. then the second session will be much more fruitful for you. I hope you have noted down all these points. Have you? Yes, very good, right? So start working on this, and I'll see you soon, I guess. Okay. Any further questions for now? Okay. Thank you very much. Please take care. Prepare carefully. Once in a lifetime chance. And if you ever feel demotivated, please talk to your mentor. Okay. All the best. Take care and good night. And of course, congratulations to all the call getters. Thanks. Bye.